Haitian family, welcome back guys to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, to click the notification bell and leave a comment. So the first part of the video is for me to thank everybody that don't speak Creole and watch my video. So I want to say thank you. I appreciate you guys for that. Thank you because you take your time to leave a comment, to subscribe to my channel, to give me a like. We appreciate you. So today we're making a corn with only shrimp. So if you guys love corn and you like seafood, so you don't need a lot of stuff to make seafood at home. Don't say you don't have crabs to make it. So thank you for that, for like the video and subscribe. We appreciate you and we love you guys. Thank you. On vle di merci ak tout haisyen qui regarde vidéo ça nan moment. Merci parce qu'on prend temps, ou ba nou un like, ou partager, ou abonner et ou quitter un commentaire pour nous. On vle di merci, merci parce que ou prend temps, ou ba nou pour regarder un petit vidéo pour nous. Nous apprécions pour ça. Nous remercions pour tout juste ça yo fait avec nous parce que si vous prenez temps ou chita regarder une vidéo ou boule ti mégabyte ou bien ou ici dans notre travail ou prend temps pour regarder vidéo, c'est parce que vous voulez supporter. Je ne vais pas dire oui, nous avons besoin de connaître, mais c'est parce que nous voulons supporter Manger haïtien et nous avons un like, nous partager et nous abonner avec. Moi, je veux dire nous merci en pile pour ça, moi apprécier nous. Et que grâce pour Dieu continue pour vous. Merci en pile, moi remède. So, the rest of the video will be in English and Creole at the same time. Okay, guys? Moi remède nous, moi apprécier nous. Continuez à regarder vidéo et continuez à nous like et partager. Bye! Et pas oublier, nous faisons seafood. So, nous utilisons Mayi avec Kribich. So, c'est ça que nous allons utiliser pour nous faire tirer recette ça. Et pas oublier aider nous grandir. Nous remercions. Bye! So that's the salt I use, and you guys already see all the seasoning I put in there. Moi kwe non gen tan wè tout bagay mwen mette la dan yo ak tout sel et c'est Mayi a m'a goûté là. Okay, I tried the corn, make sure it's good. Alright guys, so let's clean our shrimp and let's get started. Merci. So my kids was asking and they're like, Mommy, can I talk? Can I say something? I'm gonna let them say something to you guys, okay? Moi pral fè ti moun mwen yo fon ti pale avec nous parce que yo besoin parler, yo besoin di hi. They fighting to say hi. Okay? Yo goume pou yo kapab salye non, yo reme salye non, so go ahead.
Food time.
Food time. So this is the sausage. I fry it, but if you guys don't like it fried, you can put it in there like this because this is spicy. This sausage is spicy, okay? I like the spicy one, so I use it. But when it's fried, it's not that spicy, and my kids love it. And I cut it like this because they will eat it. If it's not too big, they will take it like a little. Yes, they will eat it like a little snack, like this. So this is garlic. I don't have time to chop some garlic, and I like to use this garlic, so I put it in there. Yes, I'm showing you guys this way because if you're a mom, you don't have time, you can always use this garlic, okay? Yeah, so moi montre nou tout ça moi utiliser. So Tahiti ou ta reme utiliser en série de produits nan manjo, mon pa konnen yo. Moi montre yo, parfois moi gen doit pas parler, mais m'a montre tout ça m'utiliser et puis ou même lo ap fait tout, gen doit ajouter ingrédients pour là-dedans tout pour faire pi go. Parce que manger ici, yo fait glace. So pa mette ti bay sa yo la dan, yo pa go tellement so reme manger. Look at that shrimp, baby. It is so good. This is onion. So I'm gonna chop it up and put it in there, okay, guys? And I use some tomato sauce. So I do it like that because I like it when it has the sweet taste and spicy at the same time. So si nou bezwen gon bon ti goût douce et piqué, se façon ça nou kapab fel. En li pa telman remen lèl blanche la, si se kon sa map fel, paske m bezwen sos la pou ma bwet ou ak mayi, okay? So yes, so I use the same water, I boil my corn, okay? Même l'eau non utilize no boil corn nan, se li même non use, okay guys? And then I put it on a pan and trying to make it look beautiful for you guys. Mde ka just lage la pen nan bien rapide, but mwen chwazi fel kon sa pou mka montre non ki jan map bode pou nou, paske m bezwe montre nan bel ti fason, men mde ka pren just msi mena men pi rapide, okay? So if you guys wanna do it faster next time, you can just do it like that, bloop, put everything together. So I'm trying to make it perfect for you guys, okay? So remember, please guys, abonne, subscribe, partage, share the video, and give me a thumbs up, okay? Give me a like. I love you guys, and thank you for all the support, okay? God bless you all, guys. So why I do the video like that? I do it like this because I have some of my friend in Haiti that's wanted on Creole. And I have friend here that wanted on English. I don't know what to do. So the only way I can do it is do it like this. So I can please both of you guys because I love you all. And you all guys support my channel. So non tout supporte, non tout reme video myo, et mwen reme nou, c'est ça que fait mwen fè lan de lang kon sa, paske mwen gen fami mwen ki revizyon nan Creole, et mwen gen zami mwen tou ki pale anglais, ki bezwen nan anglais, so mwen trying pou mwen fè lan de lang yo. So, li pa fasil, but I try. Okay, guys? I love you guys. Click that little like button right now.
Wow, it's your birthday. So we're gonna put it on the table and we're gonna go eat something and have so much fun eating.
So guys, this is it, and that's it for the rest of the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. I love you guys. Ciao.
So we're ready, but bye. But
Bye.